Once you click on the particular link from the description, you will come to this page in that particular website called licenstotal.com. Before purchasing this product, we can read out these points: lifetime license, no monthly fees, your own personal 5 TB one drive storage. You can get support directly from Microsoft. So I have purchased this and it is working fine. I got all the Office 365 advanced formulas in this Excel. So for example, Xlookup with each and every syntax, and filter or unique function. I got all original formulas, all latest formulas in this Excel. So also I got MS Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, MS Team, Excel. They will give one username, password by default. We have to use the same. They just mentioned for lifetime access, but I don't know how long we can utilize that. Just I believed and I have purchased, and as of now it is working fine. We can share it for 5 devices as well, for Windows or Mac. It is including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Outlook, Publisher, everything. So buy with confidence. So we can just read all the description as well. So if you want genuine lifetime access for Office 365, then you can just buy this.